Hello, this is Right Side Trader. Today is April 22nd, 2025, and this is my daily trade review that I do for myself normally, and I usually don't share this, but since I hit over 400 subscribers, thank you new subscribers, I am going to share this today, and I'm actually going to do a couple of days. This is all for educational purposes only, no trade recommendation, because as we all know, trading is risky. You can lose money at trading, so please check with your financial advisor, please check with your significant other, and make sure trading is something that is suitable for you. I'm going to just give you a couple of hints, a couple things right up front. These fills that you are seeing on these trades will not happen in your live account. And all. That's the whole thing. I am trading this live, one contract sometimes, well, one contract most of the times, and all, and only 5 wide instead of 10 wide, because I want to keep, if they end up with a loss, I want to end up keeping that loss small. Again, it's more about just being able to see this and being comfortable with how it actually trades in a live account, and getting ready to actually be able to do it, size up, and trade it in a larger account when I feel really comfortable with it, and based on if this market settles down a little bit. But then when it settles down, the I receive probably will settle down also. But that's enough of that, and I'll just right up front, and I will probably repeat that again and again and again. But let's get on to it, what I actually do here. On Monday, I placed that iron condor at 53.10, 53.20 on the call side, 51.80, 51.70 on the put side of 20 delta. I received a $3.20 credit. I was able to close it for $1.90 in the virtual account. You will not get this type of fills in your live account and all. I did not trade this even live on Monday. I was tired. I kind of just threw this virtual trade out, hit there, and just laid down after that. Had 3 hard days on the bicycle. So after doing the bike ride stuff, I was pretty tired, and I just needed to rest after the last 3 days. And today is Tuesday, is the rest day for me also. So, but that's it. And one of the things that I want to show you here are why the crazy fill did happen at this time, and this is one of the reasons why to get into this trade early. Between 9:40 and 9:45, those options do tend to go crazy at times, and that's when that fill happened at 9:45. But let's go ahead and go to the next day here on Tuesday, which is today. Also, I go ahead and mention here, these purple lines that you see on the chart are lines that I set up for where I sold at and all. So that's one of the things that I do to kind of keep my eye on what's going on. And when I see the market actually approaching those lines, I have to start looking at, okay, do I want to take a small loss or not if I was actually trading this live? This morning when I traded this live, I just decided to do one side. I only did the put side only, and the put side was good. As you can see, with the market going up, selling underneath, selling a put is a bullish position. You expect the market to go up. You try to get as much credit as you can, and then you watch that credit decay and goes down, and you close the trade. I still closed the trade for 25% of what I had collected, and I was okay with that. But today, on this iron condor trade, I was able to place on the call side 52.70 by 52.80, on the put side 51.50 by 51.40, 20 delta, received a $3.10 credit, was able to close it for $2.10. Was in this trade at 9:35, out of this trade at 9:38. And let's just take a quick look at the numbers over here. And as you can see on this trade right now, how bad it is. This is what I usually do. I usually monitor this thing the whole while I'm still sitting here to see what would have happened if I didn't get out of that trade and if I didn't take that small loss at the time. This is the crazy stuff that can happen to you on this trade. That's why this trade is definitely not for everyone. And you have to be a pretty disciplined trader. And you have to be able to go ahead and get out of these trades whenever, because now it's like 2 times the amount of the credit that I actually really received on this trade. So just want to bring attention to that too. But on Monday, as you can see, back on Monday, I did 320, 190. Today, 310, 210, and you can see the times that I was only in this trade for, like, again, around that 9:40 time or just before that 9:40 time. As long as you get into this trade 9:35 or before, usually you can get these crazy fills and be out of this trade. And in the virtual account, in the live account, it didn't even feel. I did try placing the iron condor 5 wide, not 10 wide, in the live account. I didn't get a fill. So usually I wait about 10 minutes, and it's probably here to about 9:40. And if it doesn't fill at 9:40, because a lot of times you see the option prices go crazy, but you still will not get a fill. And that's pretty much it. And I'm actually going to do a video where I break this trade down a little bit more and show you all the little stuff that I actually do since I hit that 400 number and all. And maybe that'll be helpful. And I got some other things that I'm going to try to do too if I get to that 500. Well, I'm actually look at some things that I've been telling some people that they've been asking about. And I just told them it's a lot of information already out there on it. And I usually just point them to that. But if they want more of a technical view, I say I'll do that and show you some things. But that's it. That's all I really want to share at this time. This is Right Side Trader. Hope you guys had a great day. Hope you guys have a great weekend. And I'll talk to you later. Have a good one. Bye.